Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is a man sold an article at a loss of 25%. If he sells the article for rupees 21 more, he would have got a gain of 10%. The CP of the article is. So here we know that if a man sells an article, there is a loss of 25%. But if he sells the article for 21 rupees more, he would have gained 10% profit. Now we need to find the cost price of the article. The options given are 56, 84, 60 and 92 rupees. So first in the solution we need to consider let CP is equal to rupees X. So we have considered that let the cost price be X. Now we know that the difference between the gain and loss is 21%. If he had sold for if he sells the article, he gets a loss of 25%, but if he sells the article for 21 rupees more, he gets a gain of 110%. So the difference between them is 21 rupees. So now there is a gain of 10%. So 110x upon 100, because we have considered that let cost price be X. So there is gain of 10%. So this comes to 110x. This is our first expression. Minus loss of 25%. So 100 minus 25 is 75x. That is 75x upon 100. This is our second expression. And the difference between them is given in the question, that is 21 rupees. So now solving these equations, we get 35x is equal to 2100. Therefore x is equal to rupees 60. So the answer is option C, that is cost price is rupees 60. This is the solution for the problem. Thank you.